नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, एक्सपर्ट टीचिंग या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये तुमचं स्वागत आहे. जसे की आपण क्लास 10साठी ग्रॅव्हिटेशन हा चॅप्टर स्टार्ट केला होता. त्यामध्ये आपण फर्स्ट लेक्चर द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटेशन अँड द कन्सेप्ट ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटेशन विथ पिक्टोग्राफिक एक्सप्लेन केलेला आहे. Then the lecture number 2, the another concept is what is mean by the force and motion. The concept name is force and motion in lecture number 2 by gravitation. आपण ग्रॅव्हिटेशन हा इयत्ता 10वी साठी चॅप्टर मराठी आणि इंग्लिश या दोन्ही माध्यमातून पाहत आहोत. जर तुम्हाला हे लेक्चर आवडत असेल तर या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनला प्रेस करा. देन वी कॅन स्टार्ट द कन्सेप्ट फोर्स अँड मोशन. We can know the concept of force and motion. Now, the definition of force and motion is. Now, the concept of force and motion. The first, we can see the concept of force. Then, the simple definition of force is the object push and pull. The pull and push of an object is called as force. In the point number 1, the simple definition of force is push and pull of an object. Then we can see the some image. Then what is the force? The force is pull and push of an object. Then the some image. Then this is, we can see the pull and push of an object. This is the force. Now the another diagram we can see. Now we can see the next diagram. The push and pull. The push and pull of an object is called as force. Then the another diagram is, we can see the diagram pull and push. We can see the diagram, that is pull and push of an object. Then the first point is, we can see the first point. The simple definition of force is push and pull of an object. म्हणजे एखाद्या वस्तूला ओढणे किंवा एखाद्या वस्तूला ढकलणे त्याला आपण बल असं म्हणतो. Then the force is also be defined as, no, this is not. The force is also be defined as the product of mass into acceleration. Force is the product of mass into acceleration. आपण बल हे वस्तुमान आणि त्वरण यांचा गुणाकार आहे असे सुद्धा म्हणू शकतो. In point number 3, the force is denoted by F. Then the mathematical formula for force is F equal to m into A. In point number 5, where m is mass of object and A is acceleration. m हे वस्तूचे वस्तुमान आहे तर A हे त्वरण आहे. In point number 6, the SI unit of force is, the SI unit of force is Newton. in point number 6. Now in point number 7, some example of force is given as picture. Now we can see the some pictures. First picture is what is meant by force. Now another is we can see pull and push. Now we can see another is pull and push. Now we can another see the example push and pull. Now the another concept is types of force. Then the types of force is the gravity of force. Now this is buoyant force and this is drag force. There are three types of force. We can see the picture: the gravity of force, buoyant force and drag force. Now another is two concept, this one and this one. Now we can see the concept of motion. Now what is meant by motion? We can see the concept of motion. The motion is change in position of an object with its surrounding is called as motion. मोशन म्हणजे गती होय आणि जर एखाद्या वस्तूची आपण स्थिती बदलत असेल तर त्याला आपण गती असं म्हणतो. द पॉइंट नंबर 1 वी कॅन सी द डेफिनेशन. द चेंज इन पोजिशन ऑफ ॲन ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड ॲज मोशन. जर एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट त्याची पोजिशन चेंज करत असेल तर त्याला आपण मोशन असं म्हणतो. देन the force and motion is, we can see the force and motion, that is push, that is pull, magnetism, gravity, that is friction and acceleration. This is force and motion. Now the another example is, now another example is, now kick the ball is the example of motion. Now another is, we can see now we can see the picture. Now we can see the pictures. Okay, kick the ball and the ball is motion. This is the concept of force and motion. Then the another concept we can start, the Kepler's law of planetary motion in the lecture number 3. Thank you.